Bored of your regular hair but scared to get a new style? No worries. I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add bangs to your hair with the help of Facetune. Let's get started. Open the Facetune app first. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Then select the picture which you want to change the hairstyle of. At the bottom, there are many editing options. Swipe to the right. Tap on Hairstyles. Now select the style that you prefer. Now tap on Save at the top right after you're satisfied. And that is how to add bangs to your hair with Facetune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.